In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Valorant keeps crashing in mid-game. Now first what we want to try is find our Valorant, right click on it, go to properties, and from in here select compatibility. Now once you're in here, you're gonna activate disable full screen optimizations and also run this program as an administrator. Click apply and click OK. Now try and launch Valorant and see if this fixes your issue. Now if this doesn't, another thing we can do is update our graphic drivers, and I have GeForce Experience which automatically updates it for me. So I just open this and there's an update button in there and it will update all my drivers. Now if this also doesn't work, we can try and open up our task manager. In task manager select details, and from in here you can select memory and you can see what uses the most memory. Now, if you can see I have CapCut open and it uses a lot. You can also see it under processes right here. Now you should close the ones that you don't need, that uses a lot of these. If it uses too much CPU or memory, it can cause your game to crash mid-game. So if it was my case, I would close CapCut and my Google Chromes. Now another thing you can do is in your Valorant video settings, try and set everything to low, as this would help you increase the performance. Now as a last resort, if none of these help, you can go to your Riot client right here, open up Riot client, click on new up here, go to settings, choose Valorant, and in here you're gonna click repair. Now this will repair your Valorant game and look for any issues and then fix them. Now I really hope any of these helped you. If they did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.